Hello subscribers, welcome back to our channel. This is Addis Ababa Entertainment Worldwide, and to you speaking is Selector Uncle from Addis Ababa Entertainment. This channel focuses on teaching you various kinds of knowledge and wisdom, and today we will be looking at editing software. In this age of social media, every person is posting, and you don't want to post something that is very raw. And if you don't want to post something that is very raw, you have to edit it, and editing it entails using a software. And there are various types of software that I see many social media users, especially on TikTok, on YouTube, use. Most of them, I can see the number one software that tops the list is CapCut. The other one is KineMaster, and there are various other softwares that people use to edit their videos, their photos, and even create AI videos and other content. So today we'll be focusing on KineMaster. I will be introducing on how to use KineMaster, how to edit a video on KineMaster. So if you are one of those people who has been looking for a simple tutorial online on how to use KineMaster to edit videos, here you have gotten what you have been looking for today. So let's go straight to our topic. To edit a video on KineMaster, you follow a simple layer-based timeline system. Here is a step-by-step guide to creating your first edit. 1. To set up your project, open the KineMaster app and tap the Create button. Select New Project. After that, you will see the next step. The app will ask you to choose the aspect ratio. The aspect ratio is the size, the length and the width that your video will be taking when you render it. You'll have different types of aspect ratios there. Most commonly used, which is the landscape ratio, is the 16:9. But if you want to use the portrait, the example, the one that most TikTokers use, the one that you put your phone upright, the way you hold it when you are scrolling it, that is the portrait ratio, which is 9:16. And there are other types of ratio that you can choose from. Instagram, for example, likes to use the ratio of 1:1. After choosing your aspect ratio, choose Create. The next step is to import your main footage. The media wheel, this one, you can see this one. This is the media wheel. The media wheel appears on the right side of the screen. Tap the top media icon. Select the main video clips or photos that you want to edit. These items will load onto the main track, the primary timeline, which is the top timeline. The easier way to explain this is that you can see this media wheel here. You go on the layer, add layer. when you add a layer, it will automatically open the top track on the main editing area, on the main editing dashboard. That is where you will import your video or media from, either your gallery or your files or anywhere that you are hiding in your phone, including external sources such as the SD card. 3. You can trim and split clips. If you want to trim or split a clip, tap on a video clip in your timeline to select it. It will turn yellow on the edges. Tap the trim stroke split or the small scissors icon in the right menu. You can trim to the left, which cuts everything before your playhead, or you can trim to the right, which cuts everything after your playhead. You can split. Splitting cuts the clip into 2 pieces so that you can insert something in the middle or delete a section. On this app, you can also add layers, texts, images, overlay videos, and any other media that you want. If you want to add extra layers, which is another track, which is not the first one, maybe your project entails you using more than one track, this is what you will do. Move the timeline playhead to where you want to add an effect. Tap the layer icon on the media wheel. Choose what you want to add. You can add media. To add a secondary media, video, or photo on top of your main video. This can be something like a logo or a B-roll or a lower third. You can also add text and other effects such as stickers, blurs, and graphics. On KineMaster, you can add audio and music. Yeah, you want to have entertaining videos, so you can add music so that you can entertain your audience. How do you add audio in your KineMaster project? 1. Tap the audio icon on the media wheel. Choose music, SFX, which is sound effects, or recorded voiceovers. Select audio file and press the plus icon to add it below your video track. Tap the audio track and adjust its volume or fade levels in the right menu. Once you are finished editing your video, it's now time to export or share with the world. Once you are done, tap the export icon, which appears as an arrow pointing up out of a box in the top right corner. Choose your resolution, e.g. 180 480p, 720, 480. It depends on the quality of the video that you want to render or to save. If you want to save into your phone, you can just tap the save as video prompt. If you don't want to save it, you can directly share it to social media and other parts of the web and other websites that you may want to share your video. Thank you for following this tutorial. It's been me, Selector Uncle from Addis Ababa Entertainment. I hope you enjoyed staying with me throughout the tutorial. If there is anywhere that you didn't get well, you can take your time to rewind the video at your own time, at your own free time. Let's meet in our next tutorial. May God bless you. Keep anything you want to tell me in the comments. I'll be checking. Thank you.